Hey, we're back with the old Bushmaster. A little bit shinier than the last time you saw it, probably. I don't remember what I uploaded for a video. I did mention that the battery was cracked. We got another little 6-volter here. Just finishing putting in this really spicy water. A little too spicy for my taste, but the battery seems to like it. Got a few more minutes, just kind of let this settle and the bubbles to come out of it, and I'll cap it off. But while I wait, I'm gonna see if I can get this guy pulled off without breaking anything. And hopefully by the time I'm done, we can just throw this back in and see if I have lights. So here we go. I'm gonna start by seeing if I can get these leads to, well, that one I don't even know. That's not going to disconnect. That's going to come off with that. Nope, that's going to have to come off. There's a bullet connector on the new battery. This is halfway there on its own. Great. No problem there. Get that. Okay, that wasn't too bad. And then this one, let's see if I can pull the whole battery out of here. That came off surprisingly easy as well. I found a replacement side cover for this. I've got it coming from, eBay thing. It was like, I don't know, 20 bucks, 30 bucks, something like that. And I found another cover, which would have been NOS, brand new, old stock. That lady or gentleman was asking, I think if I remember correctly, $830 for that piece of plastic. So no, we will not be using that one. There we go. Old battery out. A little bit of surface rust, no big deal there. Pull this out just to, yeah. I'll clean that up a little bit. The new battery. Well, I got the tube off of the I got the straw here. Maybe that fits the new battery. We'll be able to use that. Just shiny new and clean. This is still looking good. The instructions, I'll bring this closer. The instructions said fill it a little bit above, or fill it to the upper level, give it 30 minutes, let it kind of get down in all the little nooks and crannies. Again, no patience for that, so I just kind of like whacked it on the ground a couple of times, kind of shook the bubbles out of it. So I'm pretty confident we're there. Before we try to use the thing, I'm still going to give it a little bit. No, I don't even have to. I don't have a, it's not like I have a starter I have to crank on this thing. It's just kickstart. It's just lights. It said 30 minutes, it'll have like 70% charge or something like that. So cap's back in. This guy's just gonna slide back in here. And the cover that I somehow immediately lost. Come on, I didn't go anywhere. Oh, here it is right in front of me. It's under my foot. Put that back in place. And this, yeah, I didn't, here, you hold that there for me. While I refund this wire. Hi. Oh no, that wasn't what I... And it broke. Okay, well, this is the end I still want, but it's still got the bullet connector half. Oh, what is going... Oh. All right, that works too. Beauty. Little See that? Where's the lens on this damn? See that? A little bit crusty. That one's shiny. So I'm gonna real quick just run into the shop and scuff this up a little bit. I want to make sure I have a good connection. All right, so I just used a little like sanding pad. Gave a little twisty twist there. This end I ran. Oh geez, I should have turned the light on apparently in the garage. Thought that I had that a lot brighter, but there's some clean enough. Good enough for the girls I go out with. And this rusty ass bracket that I'm screwing to anyway. That goes there. Click. Okay, torqued. That. Oh, we got a fuse on this one even. Wow, how fancy. What? Oh, come on. All right. Slight issue. This is the, see if I can slide the shielding back. This is the, what we call the male end. For exactly the reason that you think. And this is a male end. And while I'm okay with that, it doesn't, oops, can't see. Maybe you don't want to see. This is intimate. This isn't gonna work. I can't, they don't mate. They just touch tips. So I need to do something there. All right, back to the drawing. You know, just give me this right now. Hold on. Spicy water tube, loose as hell. Okay, and that's another thing. Great. So that doesn't work on there. We're gonna reuse the old one. I want to clean it up a little bit so it doesn't look quite so dirty. And then I have to go figure out a new wire end for this guy, so we can connect those. So I found a zip tie. Just, you know, just temporary, real quick, because I'm impatient. A little excited to get this check out and see if the I can't even talk. I want to just want to make sure these lights work. I need to run to the grocery store and grab some food anyway, so I'll swing by the parts store on the way and I'll pick up a new bullet connector and we'll crimp that on there. But for now, that's, I don't know, that's connected. That's connected. So let me see if it does anything. All right, fiddling with the switches, and it seems that nothing is, I guess, direct, just switched straight to the battery. I don't have, just checking the headlight. Oh, we have a brake light. Little tug on the brake switch here. See that? Deactivating. Yeah, cool. So I got a brake light. This, we've got a, what looks to be a high-low beam. And I do have a turn signal switch, but there's no, like, that's just a reflector. There are no turn signals on this bike. So I'll have to do a little more digging and figure that out. But Let's fire it up and we'll see if I get any. See if I can get a headlight that way. Hang on. I got a high beam if you want. If you call that a high beam, we got a high beam. Maybe the battery needs to charge more and might get brighter, I don't know. But this is exciting. I think what I'm going to do is very illegally run this thing down the road to the parts store and grab that bolt connector before they close, and maybe get a little more charge in the battery, and just just keep running this thing. Just wake it up. My goal is, I don't know if you can even hear it. And we got a 2-position switch, so I can actually run this. Not that it's a smart idea, and I have no reason to. But if I wanted to run stealth mode, run this thing with no headlight, there's a key position switch for that. But anyways, I'm gonna run this thing down the road to the parts store. It's just like half a mile. I'm gonna buy a bullet connector for that thing and get that sorted out. And okay, so that didn't work. I made it like 100 yards down the road. And it bogged out. It idle, it won't run, so I don't know. Idle jet's good, main jet maybe a little bit plugged up now. That's okay. Actually, I was just dumb. I left the fuel on last time I ran the bike, and so just thinking that I had turned it off, I pulled the bike out, I turned the fuel off, and then started down the road. Carb's fine, I just, starved it. No gas. Take 2, try again. $6 later. This pulled open. I want to chop that. Strip this, wrong size. There we go. All twisty-do. Poke that in there. Shit, these are only cutters, not crimpers. Son of a... And my actual cutters do this. This is all backwards. What am I going for? I have no idea. Okay, we'll just squeeze it here. This looks good. Match the colors. Hi-ya. Pull test, good. That fits. Not fully shielded. I should put some tape on there. Ooh. Can we get... Nope, that's not going back on. Junk. All right. So, work out a little cable management. Can't ask for much better than that. And that's it. I was dumb though. I was just at the parts store. I should have bought a new headlight bulb so I can have high and low beam. Not that I think I would ever use a low beam on this because the high is very dim. But yeah, I'll save you that. That'll be just disconnecting the headlight. That'll be boring. I'll save you that. But anyways, thanks for watching.